I bet you didn't know that the right foods can make a huge difference in your weight loss journey. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 foods that can help you reduce weight. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, what's your go-to healthy snack? You think I got this Michelin star by eating rubbish? Comment below with your favorite healthy recipe. No, it takes dedication, discipline, and knowing what to put in your body. What's the hardest part of eating healthy for you? Let us know in the comments. If you're looking to shed some pounds, these foods are a great addition to your diet. Which of these foods do you already include in your meals? Share with us below. We're talking about real ingredients packed with nutrients that will leave you feeling full and satisfied, not starving yourself with some fad diet. What's your favorite nutrient-rich food? Comment below. Get your notepads ready because this is a masterclass in healthy eating. And don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments. First up, we've got leafy greens. Don't you dare turn your nose up at me. I'm talking spinach, kale, arugula. These are your secret weapons. Low in calories, you bet. High in fiber? Absolutely. This means you stay fuller for longer and you're less likely to reach for those biscuits. Stop making excuses and start incorporating these into every meal. Salads, smoothies, you name it. Next up, salmon. This isn't some soggy fish and chips. This is a lean protein powerhouse, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. It's good for your heart, your brain, and yes, your waistline. We're talking grilled, baked, or poached, not deep fried. Salmon keeps you satisfied, reduces cravings, and helps you power through your workouts. Get this fish on your plate. Listen up, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. These aren't just garnishes, they're your new best friends. They're full of fiber and nutrients, and they help keep you feeling full and energized. Roast them, steam them, grill them. Just don't overcook them, and for God's sake, season them properly. A little bit of salt and pepper goes a long way. Chapter 4. Chicken breast, the protein powerhouse. Chicken breast. It's lean, it's mean, and it's a protein powerhouse, but don't even think about overcooking it. Dry chicken is a crime against humanity. We're talking juicy, flavorful chicken that will fuel your muscles and help you burn fat. Grill it, bake it, stir fry it. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Beans and legumes. Don't be a lazy sod. Beans and legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans. These are your new secret weapons in the fight against fat. They're packed with protein and fiber, they're cheap as chips, and they're versatile as hell. Throw them in stews, salads, soups. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 6. Cottage cheese. Not just for grannies, cottage cheese. Don't screw that face up. It's not just for grannies. It's low in fat, high in protein, and it's a great alternative to sugary snacks. Have it for breakfast, lunch, or as a post-workout snack. Add some fruit or a drizzle of honey if you must, but keep it clean. Chapter 7. Avocados, the good kind of fat. Avocados. Yes, they're high in fat, but it's the good kind of fat, the kind that keeps you full and satisfied. Smash them on toast, add them to salads, or just eat them straight up with a spoon. Just don't go overboard. Everything in moderation. Chapter 8. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews. These are your new best friends when you're on the go. They're packed with protein, healthy fats and fiber, and they'll help you resist those sugary snacks. Just make sure you don't go nuts on the portion sizes. Chapter 9. Whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, oats. These are your complex carbohydrates that will give you sustained energy throughout the day. They're packed with fiber, which means you'll stay fuller for longer and avoid those energy crashes. Chapter 10. Last but not least, fruits. Berries, apples, oranges, these are nature's candy. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and minerals. Have them for breakfast, snacks, or dessert. Just remember, moderation is key. You can have too much of a good thing. Chapter 12. Let's talk about Greek yogurt, the creamy delight. Greek yogurt is not just a breakfast food, it's packed with protein, probiotics, and calcium. Have it with some fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or even use it as a base for smoothies. It's a versatile and healthy addition to your diet. Whether you're looking for a post-workout snack or a nutritious dessert, Greek yogurt has got you covered. So, go ahead and make this creamy delight a part of your daily routine. Chapter 13. Sweet potatoes, the carb you need. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins. They're great for keeping you full and providing sustained energy. Bake them, mash them, or even make sweet potato fries. They're delicious and nutritious, whether you're looking for a hearty side dish or a main course. Sweet potatoes are a versatile option that can fit into any meal plan. So next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up some sweet potatoes and give your diet the nutritious boost it deserves. Chapter 14. Berries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in calories but high in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They're perfect for snacking, adding to yogurt, or blending into smoothies. These little gems help fight inflammation and keep you healthy. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a way to jazz up your meals, berries are a delicious and nutritious choice. So next time you're at the store, grab a handful of your favorite berries and give your body the antioxidant boost it needs. Green tea is known for its metabolism-boosting properties. It's rich in antioxidants and can help with weight loss. Swap your regular tea or coffee with green tea for a healthier option. Enjoy it hot or cold with a squeeze of lemon or a dash of honey. Including green tea in your daily routine can give your body the extra push it needs to shed those extra kilos. So, next time you think about reaching for that coffee, think green, think healthy. Eggs, the perfect protein. Eggs are a complete protein source and are incredibly versatile. Have them boiled, scrambled, or as an omelette. They're great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Eggs keep you full and provide essential nutrients. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just maintain a healthy diet, eggs are a fantastic choice. So don't skip on this incredible food. Crack open an egg and enjoy the benefits. Dark chocolates. The guilt-free treat. Who says you can't enjoy sweets while staying healthy? Dark chocolate in moderation can be a healthy treat. It's rich in antioxidants and can satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content for the best benefits. So go ahead and indulge a little, because staying healthy doesn't mean you have to give up on all your favorite treats. Water, the ultimate hydrator. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Water helps with digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and can even help control hunger. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Add some lemon or cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. Remember, water is your best friend on this health journey, so keep that water bottle handy and drink up. Spices, the flavor enhancers. Spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper can boost your metabolism and add flavor to your meals without extra calories. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, while cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels. Cayenne pepper, it can give your metabolism a nice little kick. Experiment with different spices to make your healthy meals more exciting and delicious. So go ahead and spice things up in your kitchen. Oats, the breakfast champion. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber and keep you full for longer. They are not just for breakfast. The versatility of oats is unmatched. Have them as oatmeal, overnight oats, or even add them to your smoothies. You can flavor them with fruits, nuts, and spices to create a delicious and healthy meal. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of warm, comforting oatmeal topped with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's like a hug in a bowl. Plus, the fiber content helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. So, make oats your go-to breakfast and start your day on the right foot. Lean beef is a great source of protein and iron. It's perfect for building muscle and keeping you full. Choose lean cuts and cook them in a healthy way. Enjoy it in salads, stir-fries, or as a main dish. Imagine a tender, juicy piece of lean beef sizzling on the grill or mixed into a vibrant, colorful stir-fry with fresh vegetables. Not only does it taste amazing, but it also provides the essential nutrients your body needs to recover and grow stronger. So next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to add this muscle-building powerhouse to your list. There you have it, the top 10 foods to help you shed those pounds and get healthy. Remember, this isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart choices and fueling your body with the good stuff. Incorporate these foods into your diet and start seeing the results. You'll have more energy, you'll feel better, and you might even lose a few dress sizes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes.